Many people use Snapchat to send messages, images, and videos to their pals and family. However, there have been issues with Snapchat showing the wrong location. Don't worry. This video will share with you how to fix the Snapchat location wrong on Android and iPhone. Update or uninstall Snapchat. Updating your app brings several improvements, including fixing bugs. Restart Snapchat application. If your Snap Map is not loading, you should restart the Snapchat app on your iOS or Android device. Grant permissions for Snapchat location. For iOS, go to Settings and click Snapchat. Tap Location under Allow Snapchat to access. Give the app permission to access location information by choosing the while using the app option. For Android, go to Settings and select Apps. Tap Snapchat and then select Permissions. Tap Location and Location Access for this app. You will see two options, Allow only while using the app and Allow all the time. Please choose one option and enable it to solve the incorrect Snapchat location problem. Allow Location feature. For iOS, on your iOS device, open the Settings app and select Privacy. Here, tap the Location Service tab. Tap this option again to turn on the feature, then your Snapchat location will now work. For Android, go to Settings and tap Location, navigate to Location Access and enable it. Turn off Ghost Mode. If the Ghost option is enabled in your Snapchat settings, your friends cannot view your location. Open your Snapchat application and tap your profile on the screen. Click the Settings icon and tap the See My Location option. Then you can disable Ghost Mode by clicking on the green switch.